PointSource.net.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So this guide is going to show you how to find the templates for Reels in Instagram. So if you find this useful and it does help, don't forget to like and subscribe and we'll get started. So the first thing you need to do is make sure Instagram is updated. So just update your app, then you can open it. Now the important thing here is to make sure you go to the right spot. So if you tap the little plus icon in the top corner here, then go to Reels, you won't have any option to use the template. So you'll have to go back. Whoop, too far. So you have to go back, tap your profile icon, then here tap the plus icon in the top corner, then select Reel from the menu, then change to templates at the bottom. Then you can use the template. So just select one. They're kind of generic, but Instagram likes generic and it helps in the algorithm. Then just tap one, so use template. Then enter your sort of content, so tap add media. I'll just select a few little videos of my shrimp here. So I've selected 9. It'll only let you select as many as the template allows, so I can use more, but I'm going to use 9. Then tap next. It'll take a few seconds to process depending on the content. Okay, now your template is ready to go. You can preview it, listen to it, whatever. Just tap next once you're done. Here you can add anything additional, change the music, add any text, the usual stuff with Instagram Reels. Tap next one more time. And then you can post it. So follow the same process as usual and you're done. Anyway, that wraps up another one. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video, and as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.